We are nearing the best time of the year for the employees. It's the appraisal time. Now, before you go and sit with your boss, why don't you take the hot seat, be your own boss and do your own appraisal? Now, this is not going to be some regular self-appraisal. This is going to be a very unconventional self-appraisal where you will know a lot about yourself and you will get some great insights. So here you go with the questions. Do you mostly reach your workplace late? Do you frequently take chai or sutta breaks to gossip? Do you take extra long lunch breaks? Do you pretend to work hard most of the day? Do you spend a lot of your office time on social media? Do you wait for your boss to leave so that you can also leave? Do you just keep on staring at your watch hoping for the workday to end quickly? Do you desperately wait for the weekend to come? Do you frown when you have to go back to office on Monday? Do you just wait for the month end for the salary to come? Do you just work for the entire year, waiting for the year to end to get your bonus and increment? Now, if your answer to most of these questions was yes, do you know what does this sound like? It sounds like you have been waiting for 40 years of your life to end for retirement to come, while what you have been doing all this while is just pay your bills. Now, I am not going to tell you what you need to do because somewhere you already know what you need to do. The problem is not that your answers were mostly yes. The biggest problem will be if you maintain the status quo in spite of knowing it. The biggest problem will be if you don't take charge of it right now. The biggest problem will be if you just see this as another video and don't act upon it now. So if your answers were mostly yes, my sincere request to you is take some time out, introspect and figure out what you need to do and act upon it. Because that is how you take the charge of your life and that is how you become the leader of your life. I'm Garima Arora Kannan. This is Life Leadership Movement, inspiring each one of you to take the charge of your life and be the leader of your life.